In primetime news this evening, extradition requests being prepared for in-sports fraud suspects who fled the island. 2 children among injured after gunmen opened fire on public passenger bus. And nurses calling in sick as respiratory illness cases continue to rise.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thank you so much, Janella. Well, the Jamaica Securities Dealers Association has a new executive. I'll give you who's the new president and so much more a little later on in the financial week.
All right, thanks. From business, we go to sports. Jordan Fort is here to tell us what's coming up. Jordan?
Well, Herman, the countdown has begun to the Netball World Cup this summer, and the Sunshine Girls have launched their campaign. They want to return home this summer with the trophy. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
And it's quite possible. Romaine is standing by now with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Janella. The big story this weekend is the quiet conditions that we are expecting across the open waters. Winds are down less than 5 knots. We have variable windy conditions across both coasts. I'll let you know more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how likely are you to purchase a container home? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.